Oh, right in the head, right in the stomach and head, and pulling. I can't show this on YouTube, but the ASMR, you can hear a head going through. This is it. This is the kill that everyone, I assume, was talking about when they played at the festival last year. That is one of the most gruesome kills I've seen in a very long time. Like, I guess she was good at yoga. I guess if she, that, wow, the head through the stomach. Wow, that was pretty gruesome.